At the Heartland Foundation Substation, know-how combined with some unconventional hardware created a reliable and cost-effective pile cap solution. PCL's Edmonton Buildings Group worked with subcontractor Agra Foundations to install piles at the substation site. Silty, sandy layers of clay overlying plastic bedrock created optimal conditions for installing cast-in-place board piles. However, the cold winter weather meant that traditional methods were less than practical. A prefabricated hoarding box is installed over each pile cap with an indirect heater attached to the box. PCL used pop-up ice fishing tents with propane heaters rather than building separate hoarding boxes and renting heaters. The savings associated with the ice fishing tent innovation were realized in 3 areas: tents compared to wooden hoarding boxes, heating, and other labor. Each tent cost approximately $225. The total cost for the 57 tents used was $12,825, which, when divided by the number of piles, comes down to $32.06 per pile. The total cost of lumber for a similar number of hoarding boxes would have been $49.74 per pile. This represents a cost saving for the hoarding of $17.68 per pile, or $7,072 in total. The biggest difference in heating costs was in the amount of propane required by the more efficient sunflower heater housed in an ice fishing tent, a structure designed to retain warmth. The total savings for the heat are $362 per pile, or $144,800 in total. Labor for traditional hoarding and heating includes fueling and maintaining generators, removing and resetting generators and propane tanks, and installing and removing the hoarding boxes. These tasks are estimated to take 3 person-hours per pile. The actual labor on this project, related to heating and hoarding, was 2.35 person-hours per pile to set up, remove, and wash the heaters. The cost savings for labor were $35.77 per pile, for a total of $14,308. Overall cost savings using the tent plan, as opposed to traditional heating and hoarding, is $415.45 per pile, or $166,180.